how was last season for you, diba? First season mo last year, champion. How was it?
Sa student manager. Student manager.
Ano yan, parang...
Did you enjoy it last?
Oo, syempre. Add-on na lang yung pagka-champion. Syempre, iba yung feeling champion, diba? Syempre, looking forward for the season kasi okay pa rin naman yung team eh. Tapos yung players, people, yung teams na other teams, okay din eh. So, sure ako interesting.
Anong difference na ano? Ako, excited ako for you guys. Anong difference na feeling nyo exacto, the same time last year sa this, like right now, this year?
Oo, yan. Kinakabahan pa rin ako. Pero,
kinabahan din ba?
Oo, syempre, ngayon, siguro added pressure. Hindi mo naman sabihin na walang pressure kasi
Senior ka na.
ako, 4th year. So, senior year ko na. Tapos, konti na lang. Malapit na rin ako matapos. So, we're taking it one game at a time. But we're looking into it, syempre. First, Final 4. Hopefully, sa first top 2 seeds muna kami. Then, yun, championship na. So, excited na talaga ako. Actually, last few days ago, I watched mga games, old games sa DVD. Tapos yun, na-watch natin yung Lasal game. First round, very memorable. Then also the game 1 of the finals, we played the other day, so we watched that also.
I have a question. Bacon and Sino were part of championship teams and juniors na. So for you guys, anong difference ng champion sa juniors at sa seniors?
Magkaiba sila, syempre, pero yung feeling, siguro,
How many times ka nag-champion?
sa juniors ako, 2 times. Year 2006, 2004. Tama, 2006, 2004. Tapos,
Seniors eh, no? Kasi lahat nanonood eh.
sa seniors nga, yun, parang mas yung pressure, grabe. Tapos, yung mga manonood, sobrang dami, so added pressure. But, pareho silang masarap in a way, but yung sa seniors lang yun, mas parang malaki yung pressure na mag-champion ka, daming nanonood, mga alumni, fans, lahat ng tao. So, pareho naman silang masarap.
Rookies.
Or rookies, so...